Hey, welcome to this quick edition of My Favorite Things. I love auctions, and sometimes I just search for the most unique and interesting items. A while ago, I bought a collection of bottles that seem to be from the late early 1900s. Each of them had different purposes. So we're going to take a look at the labels and what some of these items were. Let's start here. So this is Bell's brand ammonia for family use. So ammonia, we still use that today, but it has some interesting directions for use. It says we can use it for laundry, flannel or woolen goods, cleaning jewelry, hairbrushes, removing grease or stains, cleaning paint and painted walls, removing ink, tar, or paint, cleaning glass, silver, and crockery, or for cleaning the toilet. And this one was bottled in Brooklyn, New York. Moving along this way, we have a bottle of sodium phosphate that was bottled by Wyeth in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This says that it is a mild, pleasant, and tasteless laxative. A specific in constipation, obesity, children's diarrhea, rickets, jaundice, etc., etc. So you could decide that it is for many different uses. It's a pretty large bottle, and it was emptied by somebody. Along with that, another bottle from the Wyeth's company has the mark from the company on it. It doesn't have a label anymore, but there is some weird brown goo inside it that's going to stay inside it because they kind of don't want to know what it is. This bottle, while it's really nice and decorative, nothing too interesting. It is Pocono olive oil. Would make a nice little decoration. Here is a bottle of pure glycerin. Glycerin is you find in a lot of skincare items. It's for dry skin. This was from Sieber and Kenyon Druggists in Green, New York. Another one. So this is Standard Havana Furniture Cleaner. Very interesting what it polishes. Floors, woodwork, automobiles, pianos, and radios. This was manufactured by C. McDonnell in Johnson City, New York. Oh, it cost 5 cents for 8 ounces. This one right here, its original tag on the front is mostly worn off, but on the side we can see that it's Payne's Celery Compound, and there are directions for use on the back, and I discovered that the celery compound was used to keep regular. And then finally, my favorite one of all is Dr. Pierce's Golden Medical Discovery. This was bottled in Buffalo, New York, and here on the front it says, "This is the best cough remedy, blood purifier, antibilious or liver medicine and tonic, or strength restorer of the age." So this was definitely a little cure-all for whatever was ailing you. Golden Medical Discovery. Thanks for joining me for this episode of My Favorite Things. If you enjoyed this, I hope to be putting out more videos soon. Please like this video, subscribe to my page, What's Up Welsican, and I hope to see you next time.